Wood has been a part of human life since time immemorial. It is a renewable resource whose irreplaceable qualities are suitable for many different products. At Ton, we love this material and are always pushing the boundaries of what we can do with it. Our suppliers are always sustainable, and as a result, we are PEFC certified. Every tree is unique. The climate zone in which they grow, whether it is a temperate, tropical, or polar region, influences trees and their wood. Every type of wood is unmatched in its grain and structure, and as a result, the final product is also always unique. The resulting appearance is also affected by the technological procedure used to process it, as each affects it in a slightly different way. The texture of the wood is determined by its anatomical structure of growth rings, which tell us how many growing seasons the tree has lived through. Pith rays are light, narrow layers of wood whose cells carry nutrients. If you can see them in your wood, this guarantees that it is solid wood, not an imitation. All types of wood have them, but they are not always visible. Visible pith rays, such as those of oak, are different in color from the surrounding wood and create gleaming surfaces called ray flecks. Pores, which carry water while the tree is growing, and the sapwood, found in the outer part of the tree trunk near the phloem, whose function is to transport water from the roots to the leaves, also affect the final appearance of the wood. Nor should we forget swirl grain and knots which occur where branches grow out of the trunk. They are the most numerous characteristics of wood, but can sometimes also be a defect. The color of the knots indicates the wood quality. If they are dark, the wood is healthy and in a good condition. Our products contain only small knots, which are considered decorative by the furniture industry. Similarly, dark patches are considered a feature of the wood. They look like small dark stains, but what causes them is disputed. They are probably the result of irregular tree growth. Last but not least comes multicolored wood. As we said at the beginning, wood is a natural material that changes color, and this may occur as the tree grows and develops naturally. This is affected by the atmosphere, ultraviolet rays, the surface treatment, or pest infestations. Temperate zone woods are usually lighter in color, whereas tropical woods are more striking. Bending wood may cause splits to appear. These are created by fibers which are subjected to great pressure during the bending process. This sometimes causes the wood to split on the outside, or conversely, to crease on the inside. Superficial splits can be corrected using a gluing and binding process. After sanding, the wood is smooth again with no danger of the split reappearing. We make our products from two types of materials. The first are solid beams, which are further processed into poles, for instance, and are then bent into the desired shape. Locks can also be glued to finger-joint wood boards, which are used to make solid tabletops, for example. The second type of material is plywood, which is made from multiple layers of wood veneers. We only use the highest quality so that the finished product has minimal imperfections. Wood materials are constantly developing and responding to their environment. They may be negatively affected by unusual atmospheric humidity, whether less than 40% or greater than 60%. Direct sun radiation or heat sources cause changes to color shades or forms.